Hello everyone, I am Dr. Tanushri, pediatric hemato-oncologist and bone marrow transplant physician working in Vaidhi Cancer Center. So as we all know, cancer cases are increasing with increasing age, but childhood cancer is rare, but it is a highly curable disease with high degree of suspicion. The cure rate is very much high. So the symptoms of childhood cancers mimic other infectious diseases like autoimmune diseases or infection. So we have to have a very high degree of suspicion. In whole over the world, more than 3 lakhs children are diagnosed with cancer each year. In India, more than 50,000 children are diagnosed with cancer each year. However, the numbers are more than this because many are misdiagnosed or undiagnosed. So, high degree of suspicion is required to diagnose those cases. The symptoms and signs of childhood cancer mimic other common diseases. The symptoms are like fever, which is unexplained and is there for more than 2 weeks after taking appropriate antibiotic also. Bleeding, unexplained bleeding from mouth, nose or bruises are there without getting trauma. Excessive tiredness or sleepiness in the children. The child is looking pale, which is unexplained. Persistent vomiting, mostly in the morning hours. Then white eye reflex in the eye. White eye reflex is generally when we take selfie of the child or a photo, we will see a cat's eye reflex in the eye. That if we see like that, we should show it to doctor. Or any swelling or painless swelling in the hands or in the legs without any trauma the child is having, which is persistent and it is mostly painful at the night time. So, and another is that abdominal distension, sudden abdominal distension is there without any explained causes. If your child is suffering from any of these symptoms which is persistent, then we should reevaluate for childhood cancer. 15 February 2026 is celebrated as International Childhood Cancer Day. The theme for International Childhood Cancer Day is demonstrating impact from challenges to changes. So with high degree of suspicion and multidisciplinary approach should be there. So pediatric oncologist, social worker, parents, radiologist, radiation oncologist, social workers and support from the community is required where we can improve the outcome of childhood cancer. With early diagnosis and proper treatment, the outcome is nearly 80 to 90%. So we want childhood cancer to be curable and all children from lower socio-economic to higher socio-economic economic should get the facility so that their improvement is there. Thank you.